Sometimes all the voices in the world speak to us at the very same moment, making it impossible to understand even one of them. But there's still beauty. There's a soft whisper in the leaves of the trees, so quiet, yet so clear, shutting all these other voices out, just for a brief moment. There's beauty all around us. There's beauty in the obvious, in the overwhelming, the majestic, the pure and breathtaking. But there is beauty in the small and significant too. In the shade of pine trees, when the sun slowly moves darkness around like chess pieces. In every single drop of water making its way to the valley. There's beauty in reflection and simplicity, and the unknown. There's beauty we can't even begin to comprehend. There's beauty here. Can you see it?